Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we talk about my car. We're gonna tune the car with a downpipe and a race cat on it. So I hope it's gonna work out. I got this car 7 months, and this is not a car spotting video. This is my own car. Why I buy this car is because this car is a small light car and it's really like powerful. It's 200 horsepower. Like when you buy it, like the stock version is like 192 horsepower. It's a 1.6 turbo Z16 LA block. I don't know how I can say it. My English is bad, so don't care about that. My block is stock. I only got a forge intake with a KN luchtfilter. I put it out of the box because I don't know, it looks cooler, not like normal. I buy this car with my first look, and actually it's a problem because I didn't look good. This car has like some places with damage. 50 years old car. This one is 2009, and yeah, it's just old. I just switched everything on the car, but today we're gonna switch more. We're gonna tune this car. We're gonna put downpipe and a race cat on this car. This car has already a Scorpion 3-inch exhaust, and it's like a heavy sound. I'm gonna show you look of the car. It's the blue version. I put like a Speed Hunters sticker on it, and yeah. So we're gonna drive the car. I have also a CarPlay on the car, so it's really awesome to have a CarPlay like this. Everything is like blue. So I really like the color of this car. I put this new steering also because the steering wheel from the OPCs are actually shit, like the original. Throttle. This car is cold, so I drive a little bit, like only for the sound. We're gonna tune this car for the sound also, so I hope there's more sound coming, so let's go.
Why is it so heavy?